Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. Many of you might have spent so much amount of rupees for creating QR code using some specialized softwares. If I tell you you can able to create a QR code using Excel, then you might feel surprised. But the fact is that you can able to create a QR code using Excel. In this video, we will show you how to create a QR code in Excel. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. In Excel, under the Insert tab, we used to see an option called Get Add-ins. Many of us might have not used this option. This is where you will get the add-in to create a QR code. Click that option. In the search button, you mention QR and search it. The first option is QR for Office. Click Add and continue. On the right side, the add-in gets displayed. Using this only, we are going to create the QR code. You can able to create QR code for different data like your website address, your email ID, or the mobile number or phone number, or even a geographic location. You can able to create a QR code. Now I want to create a QR code for this data. Now I'm going to select the custom option and I'm copying the current document selection here. Once I copy it, automatically the QR code gets generated. See, the same detail, whatever mentioned on the table is displayed here. Here, I can able to change the color of the QR code. See, automatically the color changes. Even I can change the background also. I'm getting a different color QR code. Size also can be changed. Now I'm using. So once you are done with your QR code, click Insert. See, on Excel, you have created a simple QR code. It's not that you have to depend only on Excel to create QR code. Other MS Office softwares like Word and PowerPoint also can be used to create a QR code. Now I'll move on to Word and I'll show you how to create QR code in Microsoft Word. You can see a website address shown on Microsoft Word. This is nothing but a YouTube channel website channel address. So kindly subscribe our channel. So now I am going to create a QR code for this link. So I am copying this link and inserting that. See, I have inserted the data. QR code for my YouTube channel has been created. Once I click Insert, see, automatically QR code gets generated. Please scan this link and subscribe our channel. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Share with your friends and do comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.